Installing new door trim is an easy DIY project that gives your space a clean, finished look. Here's what you'll need. First, before making any cuts, use the set square to measure and mark the reveal, an 1/8-inch wide gap between the trim and the door's edge. Putting the body against the door jamb, place a pencil against the end of the blade. Now run it along the length of the jamb, creating reference lines on all 3 sides. Next, determine the length by measuring the distance between the 2 vertical reveal lines. Then mark the trim indicating the length. At the saw, move the blade into the correct 45-degree angle position and cut the left end of the trim board. Then move the blade into the opposite 45-degree position and cut the right end of your board. Once you've finessed a good fit, secure the trim using 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inch nails every 12 inches along the bottom of the board. Next, determine the length of each vertical piece by measuring the distance between the inside angle at the top and the floor or existing baseboard. Mark where cuts are needed on both pieces of trim. Then, with the saw blade in the correct 45-degree position for the left trim piece, make your cut. Now at the other end of the same board, make a straight cut. Repeat this cutting process on the trim board for the right side of the door. To install, secure the corners using wood glue and nails. And nail each board into place at 12-inch increments. Finally, caulk, spackle, and paint your new door trim as needed. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.